Connecting Uniconta with Power BI is easy with Peliqan. Let me show you how. Sign up for a free Peliqan account. Once you're logged in, head to Connections. You get a built-in data warehouse right out of the box. From here, click on Add a Connection, then search for Uniconta. Then, add your details and click Connect. As soon as the connection is established, a pipeline is created automatically. Your data is instantly available as tables inside the data warehouse. Now open Power BI. Select Get Data from Another Source. Choose Postgres as the database type. Copy and paste the warehouse credentials from Peliqan into Power BI. Then enter your user credentials and click Connect. That's it! Your transformed tables now appear in Power BI, ready for dashboards, reports, and analysis. Skip complex setups. Try Peliqan for free today.